Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing what we pack for a day at Universal Studios. Let's begin with Colin's bag.
I pack a small Sea to Summit wet bag with our GoPro, small tripod, extra battery, sunglasses, my phone, my wallet, the resort key card for early park hours, and a lanyard with a park ticket plus express pass. Now, on to what Joelle brings.
I have two different options that I've used. First is a small backpack. This one is by Travelon and it's small enough to fit in the ride lockers. With this bag, I'm able to fit a small water bottle, travel-size sunscreen, tissues, Band-Aids, ibuprofen, lip balm, eye drops, hair ties, sunglasses, phone, portable charger and cable, a small wallet with my ID, credit card, some cash, and a room key, Universal Park ticket and express pass on a lanyard, plus hand sanitizer. For the small items, I put them in this little pouch so it's more compact. The second option is a fanny or waist pack. This one is Herschel's 15 pack, the Hello Kitty collection. I went for the Hello Kitty one since she's in the parks, but they do offer many sizes and colors. The reason I chose a waist pack is because Universal does allow them on rides, as long as it's small enough and has a 3-prong clip. But do keep in mind, you still can't bring this waist pack on Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket or the Incredible Hulk coaster. And now onto what's inside. First, a phone, small wallet, lanyard with ticket and express pass, hand sanitizer, small pouch with lip balm, hair ties, Band-Aids, ibuprofen, and eye drops, as seen in the last video, and a portable charger and cable. As this bag is smaller, I don't have room for a water bottle, but the parks do have water fountains, and you can also get free cups of water at quick service locations. And there's no room for sunglasses, so I just wear them on my face, on my head, or tuck them into my shirt. Also, with the new restrictions, don't forget your face mask. That's all on our end. Let us know what you bring to the parks that we may have forgotten. All the items we've shown are in the description below if you're interested.
Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos from us, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. As always, thanks for watching.